This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, May 21st. Stock index futures coming under a little pressure today. However, the major indexes still remain very close to historical highs. We have no major economic reports scheduled for today. Also, the fundamentals and technicals still appear to be supportive to stock index futures. So it does look like the main trend is still higher for these markets. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index trading just a little bit higher today. We did have news that producer prices in Germany declined by 3.3% in April on the year. It compares to the estimate of a 3.2% decline. And this marked the 10th consecutive month of producer price deflation. It also appears that the European Central Bank is on track to lower its key interest rate at its June policy meeting. And in the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing futures basically steady up front, higher at the long end of the curve. And it still looks like the fundamentals are supportive to the entire curve for futures, but mainly at the long end, especially the 30-year Treasury bond futures. So I think this is the market to be trading mainly from the long side on any breaks that come along. Also, it still appears that the Fed is on track to cut its key interest rate, the Fed funds rate, at its September meeting by 25 basis points. And if there are any surprises as far as Fed policy going forward, I think that could come in the form of an earlier rate cut rather than a later rate cut. But right now it still looks like September. Also, we did have the gold market yesterday advancing to a new record high, coming off those highs a bit today. Still looks like higher prices longer term for the gold market. Still looks like higher prices for silver, with yesterday's silver hitting its highest level since December of 2012. Also, we had copper futures advancing yesterday to a new record high. Copper futures still appear to be in an uptrend. So any breaks for gold, silver, and copper, I think, should be used as buying opportunities. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.